Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a group message on Instagram. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So creating a group messages on Instagram is not that direct and it's actually a little bit indirect unlike other messaging app. So I'm going to show you how. So first of all, you're going to launch Instagram. From Instagram, you're going to go onto your messaging, basically by swiping left or clicking on the icon at the top right corner. From there, you're going to find a pen inside a square up there. Okay. Once you click on it, actually, there's no other way where you can hold on multiple persons and you can create a group. No, you have to click on this icon at the top right corner. Okay. And once you click on it, you're going to click on create a group chat. And once you click on create a group chat, you can now pick people where you can create a group and name it. So yeah, guys, that was it. This is how you can create a group on Instagram. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.